In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can add WhatsApp chat to your Shopify store. So what you want to do for this, you want to go to the link in the description. This will bring you over to Elf site. You can sign up for it and you have 5 free widgets that you can add. And from here, we can add a WhatsApp chat. So this is really easy to set up. You want to go to applications once you created your account, and then just search for WhatsApp. Once you do that, here we get the WhatsApp chat. Hit create widget, and this is actually super easy. Here we can change how we want it, so now it looks like this. We can use this one as well, or even this one at the left. So let's go for the general one, and we can continue with this template and change however we want this. So the chat bubble, let's make it look like, make it look like this, WhatsApp logo. Header, so here we can change this to our own picture. We can change the caption. So you get the point, you can change anything you want. The welcome message and the start chat button here. So this is how you can change this, even the name, everything. So let's go ahead and hit add to website. And here we can select the plan. So if you select the light plan, which is free, you can do it for one app, one website, 200 views per app. And you can only do 3 to 5 widgets. However, for only $5 a month, you can get way more things. So let's do light for now. And here we have the code. So this is the code, and it is actually super easy to integrate this to Shopify. So let's go and click copy. Then go to your Shopify store. Make sure you're in the backend. Go to online store and make sure you're on themes. Be on the right theme here. For me is the debut theme. Actions, and go to edit code. There we go. So this may take a couple of moments. Then you get all these code. Make sure you're in theme liquid. That's important. And now scroll all the way down. Once you see you're down, you see body and HTML. Hit space, paste it in here, and then hit save here. So now you saved it. We want to go to the store, so let's just go to the store and I'll show you how it looks. Once you're here, as you can see, here is the WhatsApp logo. So now if we publish the website, it will look like this, and we can just send messages to them. As you can see now, it's not connected, but this is actually super easy to install. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.